I think the third sector will welcome the report and want to build on the recommendations by working constructively with local authorities across Wales. It's a particularly important role for the county voluntary councils to work with their local councils, and also for WCVA as the national body to work with the WLGA and Welsh Government to consider the report's findings and take them forward. The report helpfully supports the point that cost isn't the only driver in local authorities' partnerships with the third sector. Quality and impact are also really important, and the third sector adds so much value to the services that local authorities provide, and by working in effective partnerships and looking at streamlining systems, I think the sector will use the report in that way and take it forward strategically and effectively. I hope that the report will be seen as a very positive platform to build even more effective strategic relationships between county voluntary councils and local third sector organisations and their local councils, as well as organisations working on the national level. What I also hope will take place is that the responses to the report will be proportionate. It's totally inappropriate to develop sledgehammers to crack nuts and to create systems that are overly complicated, overly bureaucratic. The opportunity to have a combination of grant support, contracts, procurement and commissioning will be the most effective way to make sure that the added value that the sector can bring in local authority services is maximised, and that we work together as trusted and effective partners.